Hi everyone, welcome back to Infinite Math Help Squared. In this video, we are going to multiply fractions, first using an area model, but then during the area model, we'll notice a shortcut, and then we'll apply the shortcut to a different problem. So, what we're looking at right now is a diagram of a rectangle, and I specifically have it into equal pieces because this is how we're going to start with the area model, using something that we already know about. If I asked you what the area of this rectangle, what would you tell me? Okay, hopefully you said that the area of this rectangle is 12 units squared. Okay, why? Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 equal pieces all smacked together to make one rectangle. Now the shortcut here you learn about is that if my length and my width, if I know their counts, right, this is a 3 by 4, then I can simply say that the area is 3 times 4, which equals 12, again, square units. So we have the model for the understanding, but then there's the shortcut that we could take. And then in the future, you don't need to have it broken up into pieces. I don't even need to give you a picture of a figure. I can just say to you, okay, if I have a length of 2, a width of 6, or vice versa, what would the area be in this rectangle? And you would tell me 12 square units. Okay, now let's apply this to the fractions. Multiply a half by 2/3 using an area model. Okay, so if we use the area model that we just did, we need to label a length and a width, and we need to have pieces. So let's make this the half. It really doesn't matter which one you make which. I'll just put the half up top, which means I have to cut it into 2 equal pieces because I'm supposed to be representing having a half. So there's my half. Okay, now the other dimension is 2/3. So let's represent that. Represent what different? I like yellow right now. Okay, let's cut this into thirds. So now I have 1/3, 2/3, and then 3/3. Okay, that's not very equal cutting, but I'm human. I make mistakes. And according to this, I'm supposed to have 2 of those thirds. So I'll go this way so that we can see the overlap. There's 2. So now when you want to decide what is 2/3 times a half, what you want to look for is the one that has everything in common. So you can see that this one has both colors and this one has both colors. Okay, so let's decide what that actually is. I have 2 pieces, and what is my total? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So, if we were to complete the sentence or the expression, we can say that a half times 2/3 is 2/6. Uh-oh. Now, this is where I was hoping that you would see a pattern, right? So you could take a shortcut next time, just like we did on the first screen. What is the shortcut? If I multiply straight across 1 times 2, I get 2. Multiply straight across 2 times 3, I get 6. So I don't need the diagram. The diagram helps us visualize it and understand it, but really all I need to do is multiply and then, if possible, simplify. Now I want you all to notice something. Because simplifying can be done algebraically or visually as well. I have 1 with 2 colors, and then I can have 1 out of 3. So your green circle shows 1 out of 3 boxes. The black circle shows 1 out of 3 boxes. Okay, let's simplify. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So multiplying a half times 2/3 does yield 2/6, but if we put it in simplest form, which most teachers and answer keys will show you the simplest form, it would be 1/3. Okay, now let's apply it just using a shortcut. Let's not use the area model this time. Let's just use the shortcut. We'll multiply straight across. So straight across. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 7 is 28. And this, they do not have anything in common, so you do not have to simplify. So 3/4 times the 7th is 3/28. All right, thanks guys. See you next time.